Hello, sixth graders. Mr. Long here with our next adventure. Okay, so since we can't go to the zoo, we gotta bring the zoo to you. At least that was the idea behind the Cape May County Virtual Zoo. So the wonderful professionals at the Cape May County Zoo have created amazing instructional and informational videos about the animals located in Cape May County. Now, on the Google Classroom page, all you need to do to get to the new assignment and virtual tour is to click on the assignment posted by me. Boom. Once you get to that, you will notice that there are a few links. But before you click on any of the links, you should read the instructions. So, I will read the instructions out loud to you right now. Your mission is to watch 2 videos and collect facts, ask questions, and share your new thinking on the informational videos. And here is the directions stated in a step-by-step fashion, because I know some of you guys need that. So, 1, select 2 videos from this week, and I'll show you how to do that. 2, watch and rewatch the videos as needed. The videos can be paused, rewinded. You can watch them from start to finish as many times as you want. That's the beauty of a video. Awesome. 3, take notes as you watch the videos. Here's the thing. Often when you read or watch something, you might need to take notes if you're going to remember it better. So as you watch the video, I would suggest to either have a Google Doc open or a pencil and paper to write down your ideas as you watch. Okay, number 4, you should complete the FQR sheet for both videos. And just so you know, the FQR sheet stands for facts, questions, and response. Some of you might be going right now, oh, kind of like how we do it in school. It's exactly what we do in class. So hopefully there's very little confusion what we're asking for you. Okay, now you're going to notice 2 links. We got the virtual zoo and we got the ELA Cape May County Virtual Zoo document. I'm going to click on this first because this is where you're going to follow to find the links. So you just click on that and bam, here we are at the Cape May County Park and Zoo website. And the cool thing is you don't have to click on any of these links. It's all right here on the page. Boom. And we see we're on day 16 and it's all about giraffes. Now, I love what the Cape May County Zoo has done. Every day, Monday to Friday, they've been uploading a new video. Day 15 is about the Amur leopard. We got red panda, tamarin roe. Oh my gosh, I love those little monkeys. Red-necked wallaby. Oh, that's cute too. Red-tailed boa. There's so many animals that they've talked about so far. And you know what I really love about the Cape May County Zoo is that under each video, they actually give you key terms or very important vocabulary. So if these people in the video are using these words, they actually give you definitions of very important words right underneath the video. And I love it. And it's as easy as clicking. And you notice this? All of them are YouTube links. So if you're doing this off your cell phone, and you have the YouTube app, then this is going to be so easy for you to do. All right, so I'm going to quickly just go back to our Google Classroom assignment. So you know that you need to go onto this link and pick 2 videos. The videos are anywhere between 5 minutes long. I think some of them are about 13 minutes long. Okay, but really you should pick your videos based on your interest. If you like that animal, pick that video. Or if you like bears, pick the bear video. You know, do something that you're going to enjoy because you're going to have to write about it. Okay, so let's go to that, writing about your videos. Click on this link. Each of you will have a copy. So all you need to do is to put in your name. So I'm going to put in Mr. Long. Notice how I use capital letters for my name because I'm an important person. You are too, so make sure you use capitals. And put in the video title. Say I want to do day 14. And what was day 14? Let me just go back real quick. I'm going to do day 14. The red panda, because I love red pandas. So day 14, red panda, right? Red panda. And now, as I'm watching that video and rewatching that video, I'm going to be sure to write down 5 facts or main ideas about the red panda. I also want to ask 5 questions, 3 to 5 questions about the red panda. And I want to put down new thinking or responses based on my reading. Like, it's so great and interesting that I learned this. Or, oh, I never realized that red pandas would do this. That's so great. Or, oh no, the red pandas are near extinction. I'm not sure if they are because I haven't watched the video yet, but you want to share your new thinking, just as we've done in class a gajillion times before. All right. Well, as always, you can feel free to contact Mr. O, Miss Esteban, or myself with any questions, and I hope you enjoy this new virtual tour assignment. This is Mr. Long, signing off.